Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. Some of the best practices to keep in mind when testing API include 1. Test for expected results. Before anything else, test for the results that you expect. This means putting the API under a standard load level in normal circumstances without any extravagant adjustments to the test environment. 2. Test your system's limits. Once you know that the basic performance is there in your application, start to test the limits further. With the growth that some web apps and tools face in a short period of time, scalability is one of the most significant assets you can have. 3. Repeat your testing. As with any testing or scientific process, repeat what you do again and again. Although an API should act predictably when it receives the same series of prompts, there is always a slight risk that there can be outliers. By repeating your tests several times and looking for outliers, you can both see the potential causes of the outliers and get a better idea of the way that the app and API perform in a standard situation. For every configuration of tests and questions, complete several repeats to get a more comprehensive set of results. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.